Hey, I hope you're doing well. This is James Liker, and we're going to do a product passport here. And what we're doing it on is actually the new product from Pure, the Neuro Boost. And so it's pretty straightforward what it does. The name says exactly what it does, but what exactly is it? Why should I take it? What's in it? And how is it going to benefit me? And so that's exactly what we're going to go over here right now. And so bear with me here for about the next handful of minutes. And I'm going to give you a product passport on this so you know exactly what's going on with it. So I do love the labeling on it though, the brain and then the colors as well. But there's a couple things in here. Of course, it says improved memory, enhanced focus, and then we've got some words that honestly I've never heard of until I looked this up. And one of them is natural nootropics. And then we're going to talk about synapsa 2 as well. And we're going to break those down exactly what they are. But here we are in the product passport. This is exactly from the company. And then I'm going to show you. So this is from the company. This is something I found doing a little research, which explains one of the actual patented ingredients in here, which is one of the big reasons that you should probably take this instead of be on the other side of the brain issues, get to the forefront of them and take care of them beforehand. So Neuro Boost was formulated for adults needing extra mental energy when completing high pressure work days, for aging adults seeking to decrease their number of forgetful moments, and for young adults wanting to reach peak cognitive performance when studying or gaming. Whatever stage of life you're in, Neuro Boost can help maintain and improve brain health and function. So this has in the middle of this canister here, the nootropics. What are they? Well, here's what they are. Nootropics have been shown to increase concentration and memory, potential and potentiate cognitive functioning. So basically what these are a group of cognitive support, not really chemicals, but they're compounds found in plants that support brain health. So whether that is getting neurons to fire quicker, getting the memory to basically, or getting your brain to basically, as it does like the electronic pulses to code a memory in the brain, it helps with all those processes. And so not only are you firing faster, but you're able to retain more at the same time too. So that's what that broad term nootropics or nootropics means. Includes clinically proven ingredients synapsa and S7, which we'll talk about here in just a little bit. The benefits of this product, and these are all clinical trials shown. There's nothing made up here whatsoever. This has been backed by over 30 years of research on these particular set of ingredients. And so supports faster learning, enhances memory, improves mental performance, decreases forgetfulness. So again, it helps to push the memory into the brain, to write that memory into the brain. Improves multitasking memory, so you're doing more because you're actually able to do it faster. And so there's no bogging down, there's no bottleneck created in your brain. Increased focus, promotes processing speed, and heightened learning. So if you can speed up the process of anything, think of a computer back in the day. So let's go back to the 1980s. We thought those computers were just it. That was like awesome. Okay, they ran pretty fast, but compared to today's computers, they're nothing. And so the processing speed of today's computers is way faster. That's why they can do so much more. That's why they literally fit in the back of your pocket on your pants. There's more processing speed in your cell phone today than the computers back in the 1980s. So that's basically what this product is doing. So what makes Neuro Boost better? Neuro Boost is a 100% all-natural plant-based formula. Its vital ingredient, Bacopa moneri, which is under the term synapsa. So that's what this basically, the concentrate they pulled from the plant is called synapsa, has 4 clinical trials with over 30 years of research on improving brain health. Additionally, it contains S7. Again, this is a registered compound here, which increases nitric oxide. So NO, we have a product, arginine, that is the precursor to NO to increase blood flow. And sage extract, Guta cola extract for positive cognitive function enhancement. And so key ingredients in here, Synapsa, that's the Bacopa moneri extract that improves formation on processing, memory, and mental performance. Here's what this does. Now, this is the women's health and the men's health, and I'm going to take you back to the original release article for Synapsa, and this is all going to make a lot of sense real quick. So with 30 years of clinical evidence to support its efficacy, NeuroBoost contains a key ingredient, Bacopa moneri, which has been shown to improve mental performance, decrease forgetfulness, and help improve multitasking memory. This is both short-term and long-term. This product also contains gotu kola, sage leaf extract, and a proprietary blend called S7. There's a couple of things in here that we've talked about in the past. The green coffee bean extract, the green tea extract, turmeric, tart cherry, blueberry, broccoli, and kale. And you'll notice we've got a lot of that in a number of other products inside of Pure. These ingredients have been shown to increase cognitive function, help reduce anxiety, improve circulation, boost nitric oxide production, and improve sleep. So the recommended use, take 1 capsule daily, preferably with food. So if you try to take it without food and it upsets your stomach, maybe makes you a little funky, go ahead, start taking it with the food because you probably need to. So here is Synapsa. Here's the original release article that came out. This was actually by the group called P.L. Thomas & Co. They are now known as PLT Health Solution. So here was the actual release of Synapsa when it got approved. Excuse me. So they said, has launched a new cognitive health ingredient targeted to consumers looking for an edge in learning and mental performance. So this is up front. We're not dealing with the back end part of this where we start having brain issues, memory issues, cognitive function issues. Maybe we're slowing down brain processing. We're actually getting in front of this is what we're doing. So we're actually being, we're not having to fight this on the back end. We're actually being proactive with our brain health here. So Synapsa Natural Memory Support is the subject of 6 double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical studies in which healthy adults showed significantly improved performances in areas such as visual processing, learning rate, working memory, information retention, and mental performance in cognitively demanding environments. So if you sit at a desk all day and you have to perform a lot of functions, this is for you. The double-blind placebo-controlled clinical studies, that's the highest, most robust test type of study you can absolutely do in the medical field. So there's 6 of those. Synapsa is a patented, standardized form of Bacopa moneri that has been the subject of more than 30 years of research. While most cognitive health supplements focus on the issue of cognitive decline, so that's what I've been talking about on the back side of this, so mainly in the aging population, the studies behind Synapsa focus on peak cognitive performance outcomes that offer benefits to the broader audience. So that's everybody taking it up front. The studies support 2 distinct benefits of Synapsa Natural Memory Support: daily, long-term use to enhance learning and memory, and short-term use to improve mental performance in cognitively demanding situations such as test taking. So what this does, what this is saying, it works 2 ways. Short term, it's basically going to give you the upper edge, is what it's going to do. So in those demanding situations, it's going to give you the upper edge. If you take this long term, it's going to enhance learning and memory. So it's going to basically allow you to start absorbing more and retaining more. So I know they always said if we could use an extra 1% of our brain, we would be exponentially much smarter as a human population. So that right there is a neuro boost. And so start taking yours today, because if you want the long-term effects of this, you've got to start it now so you can start seeing those long terms in a couple of weeks here. So hopefully that helps. That was a product passport with Neuro Boost.